Okay. Oh my god, where is the pigmentation? Oh. What is good, my goodies? It's your girl Mrs. and I'm back with another video. Today I'm actually going to be testing some makeup and I'm quite excited to be doing this. I'm going to be testing the Huda Beauty mini palettes or nude palettes. However, these are actually fake ones that I got from eBay and they were less than £5. Recently launched, like probably a couple months ago now, the nude palette. So you got the nude medium and nude rich, and I thought, let me test out these fake ones that I got from eBay. They literally retail for like £4.99 or £3.99, and I thought, let's try out some fake makeup. Now I'm just gonna put a disclaimer right now. There is no way I'm gonna suggest to you guys to buy fake makeup, like no way. Obviously I don't even know what, well, there are ingredients at the back of these palettes, but I'm a type of person, I'm quite lucky that I don't really suffer with any allergies. I don't get like allergic reaction to anything, even if I'm testing anything new. I'm very low tolerance when it comes to things like that. So I'm not scared to test things like this, if that makes sense. So now I have actually tried Huda Beauty's products before and her eyeshadows, but where I'm not an eyeshadow fanatic like that, I don't really go out my way to spend quite a lot of money on eyeshadow palettes, especially when it's from a brand that I don't really rave about or I'm excited about. So me spending £25 on like a little dinky palette like this, I just couldn't bring myself to do it. So I thought, you know what, let me try some fake ones. So usually in my eyeshadow testing palette videos, I do one eye on camera and then I'll come off camera and do the other eye. But because I'm gonna be testing out both of these palettes, I'm gonna have two different eye makeup looks. So just gonna put it out there. I'm gonna do the medium one first. So this is what it pretty much looks like. However, already a con about this palette, that the eyeshadow is like broken. I can't even tip it too forward because I don't want to spill it on my floor. But let me do some swatches for you guys now. So I'm just gonna swatch this one. Okay, it feels, oh, I don't like that one. I don't like the feeling of that one, but it's that one, and that one. Okay, so I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, it's not Huda Beauty level, but it's not too bad. But let's just get right into the makeup. I think I'm literally just gonna tip this shadow out and just like dispose of it because it's gonna be no good. So like, let me see if I can actually show you guys up close. Like, you see that? It's literally out of the pan. As soon as I open it, I didn't drop it on the floor or anything like that. As soon as I opened the palette, it was like that. But all the other shadows are intact. Now that's in the bin, I'm going to prime my eyelid with a concealer, which I always do. And I actually don't set my concealer with a translucent powder. I'm gonna go into this shade, use that as my transition color. Oh, there's nothing. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, cool. There's nothing there. Not even too sure if you guys could really see this on camera, but you see that line there? It's like it's separated. So it's like my concealer underneath is breaking down the shadow and it's peeking through, so it looks more damper. I can't explain it, but it looks wet. And then you just got the powder residue from the shadow there and like here, but then right in the crease, it's just like, it looks like it's separating, if that makes sense. Okay, so then on the same brush, I'm just gonna use like this peachy shade, like a coral pinky shade. No, it's like it's disappearing. It's like as soon as you pack it like that, you can tell like I'm using a different shadow, but then once it's blending, it's disappearing a little bit. On a more taper brush, I'm gonna go into this shade, which looks like there's hardly any product that's getting picked up on this brush. Oh God, where is this? What, like, hello. When I say I have to literally do this, like proper grind my brush into the pan to get some sort of color payoff, like proper swirling it in my pan, like loads of fallout. Definitely skipping. I think I'm gonna go in this shade here, this really nice burnt orange shade. Oh yeah, that's a really nice orange shade. So I'm gonna go into this one. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. I really like that shade. I really like that shimmer. Now we're gonna be moving on to the Nude Rich Huda Beauty palette, which looks like this. Really nice, beautiful purple plums shades. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a halo eye. So I'm gonna go into this shade here and apply this in my crease. Okay, that one performed okay, surprisingly enough. Then we're gonna go into this dark shade here. Oh my God, where is the pigmentation? Where is the color? Where is it? Hello? Okay, this dark purple shade works much better than the other palette. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade here to apply in my center of my lid. Ooh, it's kind of like a duochrome. It's got like reflex of like purples, a bit of blue. This is a really, really pretty color. Okay, right. Okay, what we're gonna do, I'm actually just going to fix it up a little bit more. Probably do the rest of my face, don't know why, because really truly, it's not like I'm going anywhere and taking any pictures with two different eye makeup, so I don't know. I'm just gonna try and just look a little bit more presentable. I might not even do lashes, I probably would just apply mascara. But then I hate taking off mascara though, so I'd rather do lashes. Either way, I'm gonna fix up a little bit and then I will get back to you guys and give you guys my final opinion about these palettes. Okay, so I am back. I couldn't be bothered to do my hair, so this old but goodie headscarf had to keep on my head because I just couldn't be bothered to do my hair. Like, this is the story of my life. Now, I'm just gonna go right into it. I'm actually really disappointed, yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna pull out there. I'm not feeling these palettes. I'm actually quite gutted. The reasons why I say that is because I've tested out cheaper alternatives fake products, Revolution, Morphe, and they've actually performed better. And I mean fake products that I've bought from eBay or Amazon, right? And for some reason I didn't film it, but anyway, that's besides the point. So when it came to Huda Beauty, I don't know, I just thought because this is more of a high-end brand, I'm not expecting that whoever made these will get it exactly on point, but I just thought that it will perform better. Like, the packaging is nice, it literally feels like Huda Beauty, there's a little bit of weight in it, so it's not like a cheap looking, and you know what, you can just tell that it's fake off the back. But when it came to the performance of the eyeshadows, it was a little bit of a downfall. Funny enough, I bought both of these palettes from the same seller, but the Rich palette performed better than the medium one, which I was surprised because usually purple eyeshadows are harder to make in general in the makeup industry. So I'm expecting this eyeshadow palette to be like a complete fail, but the mattes performed better. They were slightly more pigmented, where with this one, there was more of a struggle. I would probably say the only thing good about these palettes are the shimmers, because I feel like the shimmers did have some sort of pigmentation, but that's where it's a problem for me, because I feel like when it comes to shimmer eyeshadows, you can manipulate them to get the shimmer shadows perform better. So if it's like not really, you know, as pigmented when you apply it with a brush, you can use your finger, you can warm up the product, you can use a setting spray so you can get more of that high sheen boom in your face. Where with a matte, when a matte shadow is dead, it's dead. It's like, it's dead out. Like, you can't do anything with a dead out matte shadow. So where I literally had to dig my brush into the pan like a shovel to get some sort of color on my eyes, I was a little bit like, no. So, you know, it was kind of patchy, they weren't blending nicely, like some of the colors like got lost in other colors. It was just not really cutting for me, so I don't approve. I'm not happy with this. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this was never a video for me to say yes, buy fakes. I just want to do it for pure entertainment. But apart from that, you know, what do I expect? They're fake. Do you know what I mean? But it is what it is, but it was fun to test them out. So hopefully this video was somewhat entertaining. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, join the Sydz Goodas vibe crew, because you know what, I'm going to be coming out some new content for you guys, vlogs, lifestyle, food, rants, makeup and more. So make sure you do subscribe to the channel, put all your post notifications on, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.